We want to buy the right product at the right time and put it in the right store in the right quantity. Ultimately, that's what we want to do. Hibbett is a premium retailer. We focus primarily on footwear and apparel. We do also carry team sports and equipment and accessories. Some of the biggest challenges we've faced has really been doing all of the heavy lifting of the data to really understand who the consumer is, and then providing really compelling assortments with toe-to-head connectivity in store. How do we get that data? And then how do we provide assortments with a solution rather than Excel? Oracle provides a great assortment planning tool, and we basically started our planning journey with assortment planning. It gives us the opportunity to slice and dice data in ways that we couldn't do through Excel. We've cut our assortment planning process specifically down from weeks of preparation, probably 2 to 3 weeks of preparation, down to 1 or 2 days. And from the merchandise financial planning side, we've taken that process and encapsulated it all within one solution. So our buyers, our planners, and our assortment planners are all living within one solution. I understand directionally where Oracle is going and how they're at the forefront of technology, and I think that's what we plan to take advantage of.